Hello and assalamu alaikum guys, hope you guys are all well and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And of course in today's video I'm going to unbox my very brand new iPhone 13 Pro Sierra Blue, and I'm very excited about it because I've waited a long time for this phone. So here we go. I've got this delivered from Apple directly. I've pre-ordered it on I think 20th of September and I've got it. Comes with like this little protection to protect it. So here's the phone and it looks beautiful, so let's just get to the unboxing. Okay, so here we go with our box, and as always the Pro lineup comes with the black box, and in this year there's no like plastic wrap on it, it's just the box. And here's the seal to open it, and it's kind of feel luxury when you hold it in your hands. And there's a few things mentioned about this phone, like it's iPhone 13 Pro, USB-C to Lightning cable, and of course there's no power adapter inside the box. You need to buy it separately, and that's some else information about this device. So alright, let's just get to the point. Okay, so here's the moment I've been waiting for. Alright, here we go. Oh wow. It's very satisfying. There we go with our other seal. Alright. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. It just looks kind of, crazy. And when you hold this device in your hand, it feels like money well spent. You'll never regret if you buy this phone. It's just awesome. The finish, the color, the camera bump, and of course the Apple here. Alright, it's just awesome. Okay, so there's only like USB-C to Lightning cable in the box, and of course here we got pin ejector tool, and of course Apple sticker. Apple used to give 2 stickers in the boxes, but now they just give 1. That's it with the box. And on this side of the box there is kind of special thingy protection for the phone, and there's a hole for this camera bump to adjust. Okay, so now I'm gonna just unwrap the paper. Oh wow. फोन हाथ में पकड़ के दिल कर रहा है कहने को कि मजा आ गया। और मजे की बात मैं बताऊं कि इस वक्त जिस मोबाइल पे मैं वीडियो बना रहा हूं, ये भी iPhone 13 Pro ही है, और ये मेरे दोस्त ने लिया है। हम दोनों ने इकट्ठे ही ऑर्डर किया था, लेकिन उसने मुझसे पहले ही अनबॉक्स कर लिया और मेरा टाइम नहीं लगा, और मैंने इसको आज अनबॉक्स किया है। सो मैं इसीलिए इस में वीडियो बना रहा हूँ, ताकि इससे ये भी पता चल जाएगा कि इसका कैमरा रिजल्ट कैसा है, इसकी वीडियो क्वालिटी कैसी है, एंड ऑफ कोर्स इसका माइक वगैरह इस तरह की चीज़ें। सो दैट्स ऑल विद द बॉक्स, एंड या बेसिकली साल के जो मेन चेंजेस हैं वो यही हैं कि इसकी नॉच जो है उसको स्मॉल किया गया है, और इसका जो कैमरा बम्प है उसको थोड़ा हाईलाइट किया गया है, और यही इसका मेन हाईलाइट रही है इस साल आईफोन की। एंड ऑफ कोर्स इस कलर, इट्स जस्ट kind of matte finish, and just awesome. Well, let's just turn on the phone. And of course, after turning on, there's only gonna be like things related to settings. That's all with the unboxing, and I'm gonna use it. And if you guys want, I can provide you with a review of it. But that's it with the unboxing. And now I'm gonna turn on and have a look what this phone has to offer. Alright guys, thank you for staying with me, and see you in another video. Bye. Buongiorno. Hello. यार इन्होंने उर्दू में क्यों नहीं कहा खुश आमदीद, बाकी सारी जुबानें इन्होंने जो है क्या कहते हैं यहाँ पे दिखा दी हैं यार, बड़ा डिसअपॉइंट हुआ मैं. Alright, see ya.